This video will help you with the LG refrigerator, the ERRF error code. The RF stands for refrigeration fan. So what I did was I took everything out from the fridge as you see, and what I did was took out these two screws from here. This was sitting here. I took this out. Then there was a couple of screws, the one that was here, this siding. You take this thing out, and there's another one here that goes over here. You take those two out, just open it up a little bit and see the buildup here. Give me the flashlight. As you see, there's a buildup of ice here that is probably the cause of the problem, where the fan would not be able to turn on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this hair dryer blower and melt this ice, and it will go through this hole right here, the bottom, and make sure you have something to trap the water in the bottom, and then replug it again and see if it works. Okay.